All right, we're going to talk about what an exhaust fan is in your bathrooms, why we have them, and how to install them. So these are your exhaust fans. These are the guts of inside. So this goes up inside of that box out there. Just flip it out. There's some tabs you can pull it out with. Really simple. Here on the side. And then once that is up in that box, you put this cover on, which has wires that stick down into here, and they holds it up. Why do we use an exhaust fan? They're usually right above your toilets in your showers, so that way it can any fumes from going to the bathroom or condensation, steam from your bathtub or shower can escape through there, and it gives it a place for it to go. We have one right here in this half bath, so that's what we're going to be doing. So we got some tubing there, or some venting. We're going to be hooking it into the side there.